Welcome back everybody. Today we're going to be unboxing the HP 15 Ryzen 5 laptop, which is one of the great budget laptops there is. There are also multiple configurations for this laptop, but yeah, the housing is the same for all of them. So yeah, let's jump straight into the video. So yeah, let's start with the unboxing. So it's a classic HP box. Yeah, nothing really special. You have the specifications here. I don't know if you can see them right here. So let me read them out. So it's an AMD Ryzen 5 512GB SSD, 16GB of DDR5 RAM that is soldered on, Windows 11, 15.6 inch. So the usual. So yeah, let's get straight into the box. Let's see what's the best way to tackle this. I think to cut it here at the top. Maybe should get an unboxing knife one of these days. The amount of unboxings that I'm doing. Alright. That is the laptop. Do we have something else in there? Alright, that's a charging brick and a charging cable. Alright, I'm gonna set the box over here. So this is what's in the box. So you have your power cable, your power brick, and then we have the laptop right here. Let's check it out. Let's get these cardboards out of the way as well. So you have a little booklet. So that's nice that you put everything. Usually it's like loose in the box, but yeah, it's like a quick start guide, warranty information. So let's get that back in there and check that to the side as well. All right, so here we have the laptop. Let's see if we can get it out of the plastic. All right, that's this way. So it's a little bit with a little HP sticker. All right, let's open it up. All right, so here you have the laptop. All right. Can I open it with, no, it's not possible to open it with one hand. There is a little bit of protector, which is not cloth as our Lenovo, but it's like paper. So here you see AMD Radeon graphics and an AMD Ryzen 5. Let's check out the inputs. So we have USB type 3.2 here, USB type C, HDMI, a headphone jack. On the back there is nothing, and here we have USB type 3 as well, and your power input. So yeah, let's check out the rest of the laptop. So at the back you of course have your speakers are over here and your ventilation. So if we open it, which you can do with one finger, but if we open it you can see the keyboard. So let me type on it a little bit. All right. Hope you can hear that. It is a little bit flexy, but yeah, it's like not that expensive laptop, so you can expect that. So pretty large trackpad, which you can click almost everywhere. You also have your camera, which you can block off, which is nice. So I hope you all enjoyed this quick little unboxing, a little overview of this laptop. First impression are it's a really great laptop, so I'm maybe gonna review it later. So let's get the like and subscribe, so yeah, you can be tuned in for that. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.